sauce for the street food. First, we have to pour on the cornstarch. Then, brown sugar. Then, the garlic. Then, the salt. Pepper, and this one. What's this? The orange juice powder. Okay. Then mix well. Now it's ready to be cooked. Okay guys, I have already poured 4 cups of water, and then we have to stir it in order to dissolve the dry ingredients. We have to make sure that all the dry ingredients are properly dissolved. Okay guys, ingredients are dissolved. Let's now start heating it. Keep on stirring until it comes to boil and thicken. Yes guys, the sauce is already thickened and it boils already. So since I want a spicy one, I have to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. It. Now it's almost done. We'll just have to simmer it for a few minutes. Keep on. Yes guys, this is our sweet and spicy sauce. You can blend this with street food like kwek kwek, fishball, squid ball, and others. Thank you!